Guangdong Engineering Plastics Industries Group Company Limited, located Guangzhou, China, workshop with 10,000 square meters floor space. Our company has the experiences in manufacturing engineering plastic industry for more than 15 years. High-precision CNC molding manufacture machines, high-accuracy EDM machines, high-precision mirror wire cutting machines, high-speed precision engraving machines, laser cutting machines, Sodix low threading machines, precision grinders, plastic injection molding machines, double color injection machines, fine carving machines, horizontal lathes, milling machines, etc. Our company has many senior engineers with 15 to 25 years experience, rich experiences and technology for manufacture, with design, research and development ability, support personalized customization. We can customize all kinds of engineering plastics products according to customers' drawings or samples, such as general engineering material, nylon sheet, nylon gear and rack, nylon guide, nylon pulley, POM sheet, POM gear and rack, POM chain, POM bushing, UHM WPE sheet, UHM WPE guide rail, PTFE sealing ring, etc. High-performance material, PEEK sheet, PEEK rod, PEEK tube, PPS sheet, PPS rod, PEI sheet, PPSU sheet, PPI sheet, and many machined parts. Molding accuracy can reach micron level 0.001 millimeters. Products tolerance plus minus 0.01 millimeters. Also export to USA, UK, Canada, Germany, Italy, France, Mid-East, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and so on. We have gotten the good reputation in the world.
Hello everyone, this is Guangzhou Engineering Plastic Industry Company. Welcome to our company.